All right, guys, we got this really high quality steering wheel lock right here. Just going to go ahead and get it ready to go. So it does come with this like Velcro piece that you can use to kind of hold it together if you need. But it also comes nicely with 3 keys. First thing we want to do is show you one of the options you have with this thing. Oops. Shouldn't have opened it up so soon. There we go. So one of the options you have with this thing is if you need, there we go. If you need, you actually can. Say you're underwater and you need to smash out a window. That's what that's for, all right? So you've got that as an option too. We want to keep that plastic on there for when we don't need it, but oops. All right, so let's go ahead, put this thing in the steering wheel. It's very simple, dude. You just put that in there, this end here, and you just make sure there we go. You make sure it's all the way in so it can't be picked loose. So you got it locked in place. So this is universal, going to work for pretty much all steering wheels. We want to unlock it. We can just go like that and it's unlocked. So I think this thing is super high quality too. Like this thing's going to last.